Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason you're unable to add your card to Apple Wallet. So you're trying to go through, you're trying to basically add in your credit card, your whatever card type you have, but for some reason it's not going through and actually end up it being to be added. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure that you have your particular internet connection set up, your Wi-Fi connection, whatever you have. Another very big thing is to basically go through and just double check your region and device time settings. So if your region settings, if your time settings aren't right to the actual location you're at, that's also going to be a problem. So make your way over to your settings application, scroll over into your general settings, which is right over here, then go and find your date and your time settings. So date and time, which is right over here, and just make sure you have it either set to automatically or in the actual area in which you're in. That's going to be another big thing, but also your location. Make sure that your location, wherever your location is, you want to make sure that's not the problem there either, because you might just have to double check your location. Now, if that's not working, you might want to try going through and try force restarting your iPhone as well. So try going through, try finding your power button, and try force restarting that iPhone that way. So slide the power off, you might want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too, which again, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it. You might also have to try going through and try updating your iPhone and see if that ends up fixing it too. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.